What is good, y'all? What is good, y'all? What is good? My name is Rabbi Bright Jones, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a text using the rectangle. Yes, create your own text using the rectangle. Okay, so let's get started. But before we start, you know what time it is? Intro time. Welcome back, guys. So let's get into the video. So first of all, I'm going to select the rectangle tool real quick, and then I'm going to draw like a ruler. And the main reason why I'm bringing out the ruler is because I just want to get like how do you call it, I don't know, like a gap or something. You guys will understand. Okay, so I have the open gap here, and let me open it a little bit. Okay, I think this is cool. So first of all, what we are going to do is we're going to draw the rectangle. And okay, then we're going to type in youth. Yes, youth. So let me just type in youth real quick, because that's the text we are going to do. So youth real quick. Okay, so this is the text that we're going to do. So we're going to use the rectangle to type in the same text, but it's going to look a bit futuristic and a bit different. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to open the rectangle in a manner like this, and I think this size will do. Yeah, and the color is in white, so let me just change it into black real quick. So yeah, black is cool. Let me just shift it to this side a little bit. Okay, so after that, I'm going to duplicate and make sure there's enough spacing in the middle. So as you can see, we have like 88 pixels, and I think, no, let me add a little bit to it. Okay, 131 pixels is okay, so I'm going to leave it like this. So now we have two rectangles. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the second rectangle for it to touch the ruler, the end of the ruler down here. So I'm pretty sure you guys are seeing something else, but for me, I'm seeing 4 here. This is a 4 to me. I'm seeing a 4. Yes. And the next thing we are going to add is, let me just get closer. I'm going to select the first rectangle, click on the properties, and as you can see down here, we have the properties, or like the opening pixels for every side. We have the top left side, we have the top right side, we have the down left and the down right. So I'm going to select the down left and add 288 pixels to it. Enter. No, let me just do it manually so I can see where I'm going. So yeah, as you can see, it is adjusting to what I'm doing here, and I think 216 is cool. 216. Okay, so now I'm pretty sure you guys are seeing something else, but for me, I still see the 4. So I'm going to select the second rectangle, and the down right property, I'm going to add a bit of the adjustment to it. So this is what I have here, and now this is definitely a Y. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but this is a Y. Okay, so let's move on to the next text, and we have O. So for the O, I'm going to duplicate the first rectangle and bring it just a little bit to the side, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select the properties again, and this time around, you see we have 216 pixels down here. I'm going to add the same thing to the top left, that is 216. I'm just going to type it into, what is this, 216, enter. So now we have the same adjustment on the lower part, and we have the same thing on the upper part. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate the rectangle, and you see we had, let me just rotate it horizontally, or flip it horizontally. So right click and flip horizontal. Then you see we had 131 pixels for the gap here. I'm trying to get the same. Yes, so as you can see, we have 131 in the O's gap, and we have the same thing in the Y's gap. Yes, that is what we want. So I'm pretty sure you guys are seeing an O here, and that's definitely what I wanted to go in for. So the thing that we're going to do next is, you see the Y is like an uppercase, and the O is a lowercase. So let me just add a border using the ruler to it. So all the other text are going to be in this border form here. So the next thing I'm going to do is duplicate the other rectangle, that's the right side of the O, and now we have to type in U. Okay, I'm pretty sure U is going to be very simple. So just select the properties again, and what we're going to do is we're going to take off the top right properties. We're going to take it back to 0. Just click on enter. Then let me do this real quick. I'm going to shift this guy here, duplicate and shift another one here. Make sure we have 131. No, just a minute. I'm going to flip this horizontally back, and automatically we have a U. So now we are left with the middle gap. You see the gap we have here, it's 131 pixels. So I want the same thing for the middle here. So I'm just going to hold this guy, hold my shift and drag, and see if I can get the 131 pixels. So yeah, I have the 131 pixels, and that is good. Okay, so let's move on, and we have the next text as T. I'm pretty sure you've guessed how I'm going to do the T next, and yeah, I don't know, let me just show you. So I'm going to duplicate this rectangle again, bring it down here to the side rather. Then I am going to flip this guy, or rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. So this is what I have done, and then I'm going to select the properties and add the same. You see we have 216 pixels at the down left bottom. I'm going to do the same thing for the up, that's the upper right one. So I'm going to add 216 pixels to it, and this is what we have here. So we have like we have this guy, you see the T, the bar on the T, we have it now. So I'm going to do the same thing for the lower part, and we're going to have our T complete. So I'm going to drag this rectangle and just place it in the middle here, and our T is complete. It is very simple to do. So the thing that I'm seeing here is I think I need to make the bar on top of the T a little bit smaller. So this is what I'm going to do. Just drag it a little bit and make sure it's in the middle, something like this. And also do the same thing for the bar here, because I mean the T is a bit bold, and I think that is out of the way. So the next text we're going to do is the H, and the H guy, I don't know how to put it. This is a recorded video, but I wish it was a live video, so I would have gotten someone to finish the H for me, but I mean this is a tutorial, so let me just finish it up. So I'm going to duplicate the rectangle from the U, drag it to this side, and I don't know, I really wanted you guys to guess this, but all the same, let's just get it done. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to open the properties and make sure we have a 0 for the down right, and we are going to add something small to this. An H should be very simple to do. Okay, so 216 for the down left. Yes, we have it like this, and then we're going to have 216, same thing for the upper left. Then after that we're going to duplicate and flip horizontally, and make sure we have 131 in the gap, and then after that I'm just going to drag the bar on top of the T, and just we're good to go. Something like this or something like this will do. And yeah, so guys, you can literally create your own text using the rectangle tool, and it is very simple to do. If you follow the process, you can create all the letters. You can create an A. Let me show you how to create an A real quick. You see we have an H here. All you have to do is just make sure you've covered this side up. Let me just drag this guy a little bit here and give an O for the other side. I mean something like this. Yeah, something like this. Then you duplicate another into the middle, and you have an A here. This is an A. It is very simple to do. So yeah guys, I don't know, this is the end of the tutorial. I'm pretty sure you've learned something. Yeah, so kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see. Wait, please follow Looks by RBJ, Yes, it is my new business and it's going to be out very soon. There are going to be samples and prices out very soon. So yeah guys, follow Looks by Albigi. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.